Hi everyone, my name is Suparna and I am a certified Safe 6 Scrum Master with over a decade experience in finance, insurance and retail industries. Today, we will learn about a very popular project management tool, JIRA. As organizations continue to adopt digital technologies, more and more people have started leveraging JIRA. JIRA started as a standard for software development, but it has been adopted by other teams like marketing, legal, finance, etc. So I believe that by learning JIRA, you will not only help your organization plan their strategic initiatives, but this easy to learn and easy to use tool you can even use to manage your own daily lives. In this presentation, we are going to talk about JIRA, what kind of tool is JIRA, what types of team uses JIRA or prefers to use JIRA, and what are the different applications within JIRA. And we are going to talk about one application out of all, which is a very popular application within the software development teams across industries called JIRA software. So without any further ado, let's start. What is JIRA? JIRA is a project management tool which is used to plan, track, release, support software development. It is said to be the single source for your entire development lifecycle, empowering autonomous teams with the context to move quickly while staying connected to the greater business goal. So JIRA is a project management tool that helps teams to track and manage their work. How? By planning and scheduling tasks, to tracking progress and reporting results. When JIRA was released, it was purely for software development. But nowadays, all kinds of teams like marketing, legal, HR, and IT are using JIRA. So whether you're working on a software development project, managing a marketing campaign, or just tracking teams' tasks, JIRA can be a very powerful tool that can help you stay organized and on track. Who uses JIRA? JIRA is used by organizations and teams as issue tracking and project management tool. Since launched in 2002, 65,000 companies globally have adopted JIRA for its flexibility to support any type of project and extensibility to work with thousands of apps like Confluence, Slack, Microsoft, Teams, and integrations for DevOps purposes. And what are the teams that use JIRA? Various teams can use JIRA, like various agile teams, DevOps team, product management, project management, of course, software development. Any team member can use JIRA. JIRA essentially is a big database where tasks are trackable, sortable, and searchable. JIRA helps to schedule tasks, manage team, plan a product pipeline, and more. Like for example, the HR team can track a new hire in the onboarding process. The legal team can review their fulfillment contract requests. Development teams can store and track file changes, bug fixes, etc. Teams can also track their work using custom dashboards. Users can report and fix, the development team can fix bugs. Leadership can triage and prioritize issues. So JIRA can be used as one source tool for many purposes. So in this slide, we are going to talk about the different types of applications in JIRA. JIRA has 4 types of application. JIRA Work Management, JIRA Software, JIRA Service Management, and the newest is JIRA Product Discovery. All types have the similar look and feel, but different features. Different types of JIRA includes different abilities, different development methods, and even different user interfaces. For example, JIRA Work Management contains all the main JIRA features like projects, issues, workflows, and users. And this type is best for business teams, for managing initiatives, tasks, and processes. JIRA Software mostly is designed for development teams. They use Scrum and Kanban methodology. JIRA Software includes development-specific features like sprints, story points, backlog, and integration with tools like Bamboo, Bitbucket, etc. JIRA Service Management, which is built to help and support all kinds of teams, contains some additional features like service level agreements, queues for grouping requests based on types and severity, additional reporting for workload and customer satisfaction. It can also integrate with Confluence. JIRA Product Discovery, it is the newest application that helps product and pipeline owners collect ideas, assess and prioritize them, and track them through delivery. In this presentation, we are only going to cover JIRA Software. JIRA Software is used to manage, track, organize work of a software development team. JIRA is very flexible and can be customized to a team's workflow. To get started in JIRA, you have to log into JIRA website, name your website, and create a project and name the project that you want to work on. A project in JIRA can be defined as a collection of tasks that need to be completed to achieve a certain outcome. JIRA projects can be highly customized as per organizational structures, workflow, to match any team's unique ways of working. There are some key elements in JIRA project, like issues, people, workflows. So what are issues? Issues are small records of the big picture, like epic stories or bugs. People are the team members whom, or maybe even the stakeholders, whom we invite to JIRA project for team collaboration. Workflows are projects that are structured to follow a process to help move an issue from creation through completion. Projects in JIRA can be located as a drop-down in the top navigation bar. JIRA gives you the option to choose from a variety of templates, like the Scrum template and the Kanban template. Each template can have slight variations, but when you create new projects, it usually starts from a common template, and then project settings can be further customized as per the team's requirements. The projects in JIRA are either company managed or team managed. Team managed projects are similar to what we earlier called as Next Gen. Company managed project was earlier called as Classics. Team managed projects are configured by end users. The settings are independent of other projects, and the configuration and permission settings are very simple. Whereas company managed projects or the classic projects are created and configured by JIRA application level admins. These projects can have shared settings for multiple projects for easy maintenance and advanced configuration, and very granular permission settings. JIRA service and data center projects are also similar to cloud, but they do not have any concept of team or company managed. All projects are created and maintained by application administrators. JIRA boards follow agile frameworks like Scrum and Kanban. Scrum boards are for teams that deliver work in iterative, regular intervals called sprints. Sprints typically have set deadlines, specific number of issues, and a set start and end dates. Kanban boards are for teams with little flexible schedule. It is for teams that monitor work as a continuous flow. No matter which framework your team follows, JIRA is a great visualization tool to view status of work. JIRA projects can have multiple boards for each types. Multiple and cross-project boards are available in company-managed projects. Each project boards can be customized to meet a specific criteria for each teams. Some of the use cases may be different work streams in a single project. Having multiple boards for each of those work streams can make it easier for the teams to track and manage their work. Another use case may be multiple teams working on a single project. So many teams have their own workflows and they require different board and different configurations as per their working style. Lengthy processes involving various stakeholders. Different boards can be created for different parts of long workflow, making it easier to track, specifically in projects that are very lengthy and have specific deadlines to deliver each stages. They can take advantage of multiple boards. Cross-project boards are created to provide overview, prioritize and track tasks across all teams and projects. Scenario may be when a team supports and works across multiple projects. A cross-project board would make it easier to track and manage their work. Cross-project boards can also be created for security purposes when a team may use JIRA to capture information for all its clients' work. The team can give specific permissions to specific stakeholders to access only their required information. So they can give they have different permissions, levels of permissions in JIRA, where you can assign to the stakeholders or the teams for only accessing their set of information. And this can be very important to ensure information security. Issues in JIRA are used to track individual pieces of work that needs to be completed. Depending on the nature of work or the nature of the team, an issue could represent a project task, a help desk ticket, or leave request form. In software, though, issues are typically feature requests, user requirements, or even software bugs. So when you create a task in JIRA, you will have the option to choose from the types of issues. There are 5 basic types of issues. Epic, often represented as the collection of multiple issues. Epic is a very high-level depiction of what task you want to achieve. Like, for example, start a lemonade stand. A task is the work that needs to be done. For example, to make a lemonade stand, you have to create a signpost, you have to set up a stand, etc. A story represents requirements from the perspective of the user. Like, for example, as a lemonade enthusiast, I would love a cold, crisp drink. A bug, on the flip side, represents a problem or defect. Like, lemonade is too sour. A subtask, also called as child issues, represent a more granular decomposition of work required to complete standard issue. Like, you have to squeeze the lemons to make a lemonade. What is a workflow? Workflow is a path an issue takes from creation to completion. Each workflow can be customized as per team's criteria or requirement of the project. Usually, JIRA comes with a workflow of to do, in progress, and done, but every team can customize, like add columns or rename the columns to match with their workstream. This is the diagrammatic representation of three unique elements in JIRA workflow. Status indicates where an issue is inside the workflow. Transition is the back and forth movement of the issue or the task. Resolution is when the task is complete and no longer open. It can be moved to done status or resolved status. So each workflow is composed of statuses and transitions that your issues move through its entire life cycle. A board is a tool used to visualize the process. Like for example, if your team decides to do the project of a lemonade stand, it will bring all the tasks that is required to accomplish a successful lemonade stand in the open status. Once they start working on the tasks, let's say they take the first task of building the signboard for the lemonade stand, then the team moves the task from open status to in progress. And once the work is done, which means the signboard is already built, the team will move. Generally, this process is carried out by the Scrum Master. So the Scrum Master will move the task from in progress to complete. This slide provides the range of products that JIRA can integrate to. Atlassian, JIRA, and Confluence provides the foundation. There are thousands of products in Atlassian Marketplace that integrates with JIRA to help your team achieve greater results. Whether you are from HR, IT, business teams, whether you want to simply track your work or collaborate with your team, Marketplace has just the right product and tools to help. You can explore these tools in marketplace.atlassian.com. Dashboard provide powerful insights, statistics, and high-level views to monitor health of a release, progress of important issues, and tasks. There are many types of gadgets like charts, graphs, and lists. JIRA also comes with a default dashboard that can be customized as per project and team's requirements. Use the Add Gadget button and choose your options to customize the display, change colors, layouts, and even add permissions to provide access to your teams. And now, some best practices and tips to use JIRA. Remember, JIRA is just a tool. To get the best out of this tool, make sure your organization and team have a robust process, workstream, and communication plan in place. JIRA needs data quality. The more accurate the data entered, the more accurate will be the reporting capabilities. So make sure you enter all the fields accurately and intentionally to get the correct information. If scope changes, update the estimate. If a task is not assigned, fix the assignee. If a date field is missing, add the correct dates. Always start the day by checking the dashboard for new and important issues. Make the needed updates before you start your work. And don't wait for others to do it for you. It's better to monitor boards, dashboards, filters, and reports to be on track.